Now we're going to subtract unlike fractions. All right, so let's say I had 19/24, or 19 over 24, and I wanted to take away 5/8. How would I do that? Well, first I need to make sure that my denominators are the same. So I need to find the smallest common multiple between the two denominators. Well, 24 and 8, if I know my times tables, I know that 24 is a multiple of 8, because 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is, 16. 8 times 3 is 24. There it is. So I can change 5/8 to something over 24 by multiplying 8 by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. And what I do at the bottom, I must do to the top. So 5 times 3 is now 15. So my new equation is 19 over 24 minus 15 over 24. Now that they have common denominators, I can now subtract and deal with the numerators. 19 minus 15 is 14. 14 over 24, the denominators do not change because we're talking about the same whole here, right? So 19 pieces out of 24 minus 15 pieces out of 24. The 24, the total numbers doesn't change, right? It's like the same thing as saying, what's 3/4 take away 1/4? Well, you've only taken 1 out of 4 away, so you're still going to have 2 out of 4, right? So in the same way, 19 out of 24 minus 15 out of 24 is 14 out of 24. They're both even numbers, and they can both be divided by 2. So to reduce this, I'm going to divide by 2, divide by 2. 14, what I do to the top, I must do to the bottom. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 24 split into 2 is 12. And then 7 and 12 have no common factors that I know of. And so that's it. 7/12. 19/24 minus 5/8 is 7/12. Let's try another one. Let's try a whole number. Let's say I am subtracting 3/4 minus 3/4. Well, this one should be pretty easy. Do I have first common denominators? Yes. So the denominator will be 4. And then I subtract the numerators. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 divided by 4 is the same thing as 0. Or you could have simply said, anything subtract itself is going to give you 0. Either way works. Let's try another one. Let's say I have 1/2 minus 3/25. Ooh, this one's a little tougher. I need to find a common denominator for these two. Well, 2 does not go into 25, so it doesn't have any simple numbers, but they are both factors of 100, right? Because 25 times 4 is 100. And then 2 times, 50 is 100. So I mark that down. 2 times 50 gets you 100. So 1 times 50 will get you 50. And then 25 times 4 gives you 100. 3 times 4 gives you 12. So 50 minus 12. Let's see what that is. I don't know what that is. So 50 minus 12, that's 50 minus 10 minus 2, right? 50 minus 10 gives you 40. 40 minus 2 gives you 38. So your answer is going to be 38 over a common denominator of 100. But notice that they're both even, so I can divide. Let's see what I can divide by. I can divide by 2 for sure. I'm going to stay safe. 38 divided by 2, I think, is probably 19. 100 divided by 2 is 50. And I think that's it. Yeah, because 19 is a prime number. So 19/50ths, or 19 over 50, is what 1/2 minus 3 over 25 is. And that is it. So make sure you change to common denominators first by finding the least common multiple, then subtract the numerator.